रिजेक्शंस तो यार बहुत ज़्यादा थे, मतलब इतने ज़्यादा रिजेक्शंस आए थे कि आई कुडंट लाइक काउंट हाउ मेनी रिजेक्शंस वर देयर। एंड बेसिकली आई यूजुअली ये स्ट्रैटेजी क्या होती है कि 5 सेफ, 5 मॉडरेट एंड 5 हाई यूनिवर्सिटीज़ यू हैव टू अप्लाई इन द यूएस. So I've been getting a lot of messages on LinkedIn and Instagram that what were your rejects, what were your admits, which university are you currently studying right now. So I'll be answering all of these questions in this video. If you're interested, keep watching. So new to the channel, my name is Rijul and I'm a Masters in Data Science student at University of California, Irvine, and I'm pursuing a Masters here. और इस वीडियो में बात करते हैं मेरे एडमिट्स क्या आए थे, मेरे रिजेक्ट्स क्या आए थे, वाई डिड आई चूज़ UCI, वो तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बता दूंगा. बट इसमें बात करते हैं कि एडमिट्स क्या आए थे, रिजेक्ट्स क्या आए थे, प्रोफाइल क्या थी. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. So my profile was not that good academically, was not good. CGPA was 7.0, not good. GRE was 303, absolutely not good. But I got into a 320 plus GRE university, which does not admit students below the 320 mark. How did I do this? I'll be talking about this in the next video, so stay tuned. This is just about my admits and rejects. And now let us talk about more about my profile. I had 3 to 4 internships. I went to Berkeley Summer School. I also had 3 research papers and a lot of machine learning and data science projects under my belt. So this was basically my profile. You can check out more on my LinkedIn and you can connect with me there. And yeah, this is my profile. Now let us talk about my admits and my rejects. Admits, as I can remember, my admits were like, I might miss a few because like it's been a long time since my admits and rejects. So yeah, so my admits are first of all University of California, Irvine, obviously, which is I'm studying into. So I get 2 admits from here. One was Masters in Data Science and second was Masters in Business Analytics. So I also got a 8,000 scholarship in MSBA program, but I opted for the MS in Data Science because I wanted to be it more technical and towards the machine learning side. That's why I chose the MS in DS instead of the scholarship offered for the other program. And third admit and other admit were University of Illinois Chicago, which is another MSBA program. I also got an admit from that. I also got an admit from Masters in Information Management from UIUC, and I also got an admit from UIUC, हो गया UIC, UCI. Yeah, I also got an admit from UT Dallas MS in BA program, and these are like the top universities which I can think about right now. And yeah, these were my admits, and I guess a couple of them also I'll be listing them below because I cannot remember them. And now let us talk about my rejections. So rejections तो यार बहुत ज़्यादा थे, मतलब इतने ज़्यादा rejections आए थे कि I couldn't like count how many rejections were there. And basically I usually ये strategy क्या होती है कि 5 safe, 5 moderate and 5 high universities you have to apply in the US. I did like around 10 safe, 10 medium and 10 high universities. So I applied around 35 universities. And I'm sure like I told you in the previous like right now that I got like 5 admits, but there were like 8 to 9 admits, and I cannot like remember which were like the admits of mine, like which more were admit. So rejects were like top universities: NYU, Columbia, Stanford I didn't apply, Carnegie Mellon I didn't apply, University of Michigan I got rejected, as well as for the MS in Data Science I was waitlisted for the UC San Diego MS in BA program. And yeah, UCLA was rejected. And yeah, like any other university you can think of right now for the MS in Data Science, I was rejected from that. So there were a lot of rejections and very few admits. Just as मतलब जो life में होता है कि you do 100, you get like this much success, and like just keep going and keep going. So these were my admits and rejects. Now let me just quickly talk about why I chose UCI in this video only. So UCI क्यों chose करी मैंने? UCI I chose because first of all the program was 15 months. MS in Data Science I didn't want to do for 2 years. बहुत लंबा हो जाता, मेरे को नहीं करना था. First of all was the program duration. Second was the MS in Data Science program. So we are the first batch of the MS in Data Science program at UCI, and because it's a new batch, I was like hoping to get a very good like attention of the professors to you, because they have to like give you attention for like ताकि next batch में और बच्चे आएँ और marketing वो सब हो. Second, the professors are really good at UCI, trust me on this. Second factor was the professors' faculty, and third was the location. Obviously Irvine is the most safest city in the US for 15 consecutive years, and obviously it's in California, so weather is very good. It's the most safest city in the US, and it has a lot of tech companies in the California region only. Though I didn't get an internship till now, अभी मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ, मैं चल रहा है अभी, तो मतलब कोशिश चल रही है अभी मिले की internship भी. So this is why I chose UCI as my university. So this is it for the video guys, and I hope you get a very good understanding कि मेरे admits क्या थे, मेरे rejects क्या थे, और मेरी profile क्या थी. And if you have any questions, अभी नीचे comment कर देना. I'll be very happy to help you. Or you can also follow my Medium space, which is USA Masters Hub. I post content related to IELTS, GRE, TOEFL, research papers, SOP, Masters in Data Science, University selection, you name it. I'll be posting a blog out there. So go check it out if you want to. And इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.